Hi there, students. Coup de grace or coup de grace. So you can either say grace or gras as in French. Okay, a coup de grace is a death blow, a killing stroke, a killing blow given to an animal or a person who is mortally wounded and suffering. They're going to die and they're in great pain. So it's to kill, to stop suffering. A blow of mercy. Yeah? Euthanasia, if you like. We can also use this phrase coup de grace figuratively, meaning an action that finishes something, that causes the end of something. So the match was 1-1 till the opposition scored the winner in the last minute of the match. That goal was the coup de grace, and we couldn't win after that. Or literally, the jockey administered the coup de grace, the jockey, the rider, administered the coup de grace to the injured horse by shooting it. Or maybe we could say COVID-19 may well be the coup de grace for many ailing companies that are close to bankruptcy at the moment. Okay, this phrase coup de grace, coup, stroke, hit, blow, de grace, or the grace, of grace. This cut in funding will be the final coup de grace for this project. It's going to finish it. It's going to end it. We're not going to be able to continue. My bad exam results were the coup de grace of my university career. Okay, my results were so bad that I had to leave university and go and find a job. One more scandal, and that will be the coup de grace for this government. So something that brings about the end of something, that stops it functioning anymore. So, coup de grace, how formal is this? I would say it's slightly formal. I think, though, you could probably use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, I'd probably give it a 6 informality. I might use the death blow or something like that, but in an informal conversation. But I think you could use coup de grace. I think it's better for a semi-formal or very formal situation, either speaking or writing. So the coup de grace, to kill an animal or a person who's mortally wounded and suffering, something to stop the pain, or an action that brings about the end of something, brings about the demise, the finish of it, so that it can't go on anymore. So there you go, coup de grace. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Coup de grace.